I know you want to know what's in it too. Let's see.
Probably VHS tape.
Honestly, probably. And I think I know which one it is. Yep. Well, this is the first ever demo tape that I got in my collection. And actually, come to think of it, it's been a good roughly 17 years or so since I've gotten a Gullah Gullah Island tape. The last one I've got was, I think, Play Along with Binya Binya and Friends at a local Goodwill store in like 2005, early 2006. So, yeah, there we go. No print date. Of course, with Paramount tapes, seal is broken. There is no end label on here. That number right there is 29. And the week and year code is right here, if we can get that to focus. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Give me 2 seconds here. I might be able to get it to focus barely. If not, I'll just read it off to you. Yeesh. Okay, yeah, the second week of 1998. And we might as well do this too while we're here. Okay, film strip is good. So there we go. That's it for this video. Bye.